Damage stability refers to the ability of a ship to remain stable in the float after flooding caused by collision, grounding, or hull damage. Under International Maritime Organization, SOLAS Chapter 2.1, ships must meet specific stability standards to protect lives, cargo, and the marine environment. Ships are divided into waterweight compartments using bulkheads. If one compartment is damaged and flooded, the other compartments help keep the ship afloat and stable. When water enters a damaged compartment, the ship becomes heavier, the center of gravity may change, the ship may list or trim, stability decreases. The ship must still remain upright enough for safe evacuation and survival. Residual stability means the remaining stability after damage. SOLAS requires the vessel to maintain enough buoyancy and stability even after flooding. The ship must still produce a righting moment that can return the vessel toward an upright position after heeling. According to SOLAS Chapter 2.1, the ship should stay afloat after assumed damage, maintain adequate freeboard, prevent a progressive flooding, keep heel angle within safe limits, allow safe operation of life-saving appliances. Modern SOLAS regulation use the probabilistic method. It calculates the probability of survival after damage. Different flooding scenarios are analyzed. The attained subdivision index must be greater than the required index. Length and type of ship, compartment arrangement, draft and loading condition, permeability of spaces, flooding extent. SOLAS assumes certain compartments are flooded. Damage has a specific size and location. The ship must survive under those conditions. Damage stability is important because it protects passengers and crew, prevents capsizing and sinking, improves ship safety, reduces marine pollution risks, ensures compliance with international regulations. Damage stability determination under SOLAS Chapter 2.1 ensures that ships can survive flooding and remain sufficiently stable after damage. By following proper subdivision and stability criteria, ships become safer for navigation and emergency situations.